Hi everyone, I am your TECH.REHAAN. Today I am gonna teach you a simple trick which makes your work easy and simpler. Chalo, let's move. You can see complete names available in the cell. Now I want to split the names as first name, middle name and last name. A simple formula we use text split equal to text split, open the bracket, the text comma, the delimiter is double quotes, a space, double quotes, then close the bracket and enter it. Here you can see the names got split. If you found this Excel tip helpful, don't forget to like, share and follow TECH.REHAAN for more smart Excel tips. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.